Okay, about to drop into a pretty chill line, one that I think will be okay in these conditions. I'm not kind of keen to do anything too scary today, so let's just try find some grip and yeah, feel out the conditions, because it's only my first run. So first runs generally always take a bit easy, see how long I can keep the camera clean for. A bit of a hop in, and then we're actually braking. Oh my god, I nearly lost the front end there. How big it is? Oh, probably cooking a bit fast for these conditions. Oh yeah, that is horrible. Try to get control. Oh my god, I think I'm cooking a bit too fast for fuck it. Oh god, every corner is like, you just think you're gonna die, or the bike's gonna go out from underneath you. Oh my god. We keep cooking. Drop in and try 3 up. Bit of a side hip perhaps. Oh jeez. Oh my god. Super bob. Don't think I have enough speed for this jump. Oh! I tried to manual it way too quick. Okay. Let me do it. Very few sections now in the way. Oh, hanging off it. Right, straight line. Everyone! Need to stop talking. Not concentrating. Few pedal strokes. Bit of speed. Oh, again, grip just so. Oh, sliding. So hard to find. Really. Oh, we got it there. Oh, not going down that sketchy, horrible drop in these conditions. This bit. Oh my god! Shoulder nearly. Oh, dancing around the roots. That was horrible. Nosy. Oh. There's like full rivers being formed. So let's try and not be as horribly dicey this time. Zach. Nose bomb. Ooh. Where's the side hit? Ooh. Greasy. It was kind of sketchy, but holds up really well. Nice speed through there. Manuel. Right with that nice. It's actually a bit close to that tree. This is horrible. Oh, okay. That's right. Compose a bit. Jesus, I'm wrecked. Oh, big flick in there. Oh, fuck. You have no idea. Oh my god. Stack shit up. Try to get a bit of control in here. Oh, the roots are disgusting. Oh. Fuck. Drenched. Let's do some bicycling. God, I hope the lens is still clean. Kind of bashing through. Oh, I hit my arm off the tree. Oh, good time to get the GoPro away before we drop into the woods. Probably cut out the section before, it's super boring. Kind of sketchy in the way. I'm a bit tired. Having the pedal everywhere. Bit of a side hit there. Over the horizon. Oh, fuck. Standing in here. Jeez, you really have to be on the ball. Go outside. Look in. Oh, mucky the eye. Oh, that's fierce horror. Charging. Oh, I'm really glad that firm held up. Holy. Holy shit! Oh my god! That was So horrible. I just got booked. Front wheel washed. Somehow hung on to it. Oh, that's awesome. Anyway, let's do a bit of it. This is the bicycling. Slide it. Oh, two-wheel drift around that corner. Oh, pretty fast though. Might have been my first time doing it. This jump here. Oh, really had to pull. Thank God that's over with. Is that double? It is. Danger. And long. Oh my Lord. Okay. God, why didn't I? There are goggles. Oh, yes, take a breather, Zach. Oh, but don't knock on it. Oh God, that thing's a windy corner. I don't really remember where I'm going. Oh God. Yes! No idea how I hung on to that. Let's go. So strap onto this little line and see what it's all about. Oh my God, front wheel drift. Oh, that berm is absolutely disgusting. Oh, what do you mean? How the fuck are we still on a fucking bike? Oh, back in Revit. Beautiful. Concentrate now, Zachary. What kind of lines are them, lad? Feet are all over the place on the pedals. Oh, head went through a fucking leaf there. Need to fix his feet somehow. That was so stupid. Look at how tiny that is. Oh, anyway, whatever, let's just go hit the big roller. Biking is hard. Just have to commit here, Zach, you're going over the edge. Don't get on the brakes. Don't do anything stupid. Slide in a straight line off the edge of this building. Oh my God. Let's go. Straight into this line. Rapido. Side hit. Oh my God, that is rowdy. Drive back in now. Hit the scrubber. Little Manny. Pre-hop that. Speed. Control it nice. Oh my God. Bomb hole landing. It's hard to see where you're putting the front wheel with all the wet. Candy flaking. Oh, I have to duck this. There, so it's not dry. Double in. A really nice double there. Really tight here. Horrible. Roof jump next. Oh, the front wheel. You've seen it get kicked. Oh no, there was a lot. Oh, there was so much horse shit in that. Dude, I sound like a little boy. Oh my God. Feet were drenched an hour ago. They're somehow even more wet now. That was wild. Don't know how I didn't go over the bars on that step down. God, I am loving it. What a day to be out bike riding, eh?